Pagbabalik ng Eat Bulaga ang nagbigay pagkakataon sa mga cute and talented little girls na maipakita ang kanilang galing at talino.
Isang tatak Eat Bulaga. Ito ang Little Miss Philippines.
Noong nakaraang linggo, nakilala natin ang mga Little Miss mula sa registration sa mga Pure Gold stores at auditions na ginanap sa iba't ibang lugar dito sa Pilipinas.
Kilalanin po natin ang unang aspiring Little Miss Philippines mula sa Quezon City. Siya ay anak ni Michael at Christine Arteta. Eto na, si Avienda England Serenice Arteta. Hi!
Hi, Vien. Hi.
Alam mo, Tito Ryan, si Vien ay English speaking.
Oh, okay. Oh, so we speak to you in American accent.
Okay.
So,
That's
Avienda, how come in the house you're spoken in dollar?
I'm fine.
Oh, yes, sir. No, why do you speak English and
in
not
the house.
Filipino, Avienda?
Because I live in Quezon City.
Oh.
Kinakausap na magulang to ng English palagi at sa school. Vien, we learned that you wanna be an animal doctor. You wanna be a veterinarian. Yes?
Animal doctor Victorian.
You want to be a veterinarian?
You want? Why?
Because I want to help pets to take better.
You want to make the animals better? Do you have pets,
At home?
Vien?
Yes.
What
What
are your
kind?
pets?
Eng, Ziken, Pink, Berta, and Lulu.
What are they?
doing?
Dogs.
Oh.
All dogs. Who's your favorite dog?
Eng.
Why?
Because there's one puppy.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Vien, a lot of children are scared of animals.
Oh, stay here, stay here.
What do you want to tell the children if they're scared of dogs? Specifically, if they're scared of animals, specifically if they're scared of dogs.
They're not scared of dogs.
But
No,
if
what do
they
you
are?
wanna tell kids that are scared of dogs?
Don't be afraid. Why? Because they're nice.
Okay.
Okay, Vien, what are you gonna do for us today in the talent portion?
Play piano.
Okay.
Who taught you how to play piano?
My mom did.
Nice. All right. Eto na. Si Little Miss Philippines contestant number 1 from Quezon City, 5 years old, Avienda Arteta.
Let's go, Vien. Wow, nosebleed.
Hello, everybody. My name is Avienda, and I am 5 years old. I live in Quezon City. And sabi ni Mommy and Daddy, and sabi ni Lady Gaga, and I want to play piano. I thank you. I'm beautiful in my way, just can't make no mistakes. I'm on the right track, maybe I was born this way. Don't hire yourself and work, just love yourself and said I'm on the right track, maybe I was born this way. Oh, there ain't no other way, maybe I was born this way. Maybe I was born this way. Oh, there ain't no other way. I'm on the right track, baby. I was born this way. Beautiful in my way. This gun makes no mistakes. I'm on the right track, baby. I was born this way. Don't hide yourself and regret. Just love yourself and yourself. I'm on the right track, baby. I was born this way. My mama told me I was young. Superstars.
Magagalit kayong magulang pag kinurot ko yung anak nila.
Maku-forgive ka naman nila dahil siguradong hindi lang ikaw ang nakyutan kay Bien.
Maraming salamat kay Mami Tin and kay Daddy Mac.
At
Siguro panda si Daddy Mac.
Siguro nga, no?
Keyboardista.
Na.
Let's continue.
Okay, thank you Bien muli. At talagang napakaraming bata ngayon na nakakabilib ang talent at talino, kakikita lang natin. Kaya po sa pagpili ng Little Miss Philippines, titingnan natin ang kanilang personality and wit at talent.
At kilalanin na natin ang pangalawang aspiring Little Miss Philippines mula sa Angeles City, Pampanga. Siya ay anak nila Victor and Riza Dizon. Ito na, si Riza May Dizon.
Hello, Riza.
Hello po, kamusta po kayo?
Aba, mabuti naman. Kamusta ka?
Okay lang po.
Raisa, ilang taon ka na? Ang liit-liit mo.
6 po.
6 ka na?
Opo.
Ikaw ba, Raisa? Nagsuschool ka na?
Opo. Ate Pauline, pwede ko po bang makita si Bossing? Kasi po idol na idol ko siya eh.
Sige, mamaya. Puntahan mo, ha?
Opo.
Raisa, ikaw ba pag ganitong bakasyon, ano ba ang hilig mong gawin?
Ikwento mo naman sa amin. Anong ginagawa mo pag walang pasok?
Nagtutulong po ako sa mami ko kasi para matuto po ako maglinis.
Wow! Anong nililinis mo sa bahay?
Mga gawaing bahay po.
Katulad ng...
Nagwawalis po.
Ang liit naman. Baka mas mataas pa yung walis dito.
Pero Raisa, ano ba tong costume mo? Ba't mukha kang Angry Bird?
Magtutula po kasi ako eh.
Nang?
Ng munting lawin po.
Munting lawin. Sino nagturo sa'yo?
Ate ko po.
O sige, Raisa, pasikatan mo na kami ng iyong tula, ha?
Opo.
Okay, eto na siya, Riza May Dizon. Go, Riza!
Magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat. O ano, nagulat kayo no? Akala nyo si Ate Aiza Figuera na yung nasa harapan nyo. Nagkakamali po kayo. Ako po, si Riza May Dizon, nakatira sa Pampang, Purok 3, Angeles City, 6 na taong gulang. Tayo po ay may kasabihan. Ang batang taba-chin-chin, kinikiligan ni Bossing. Mama, chup-chup. Ang unang paglipad. Lipad, munting lawin, lipad sa tabi ko. Ang tahal ng pugat, sandaling iwan mo. Iyo